raise the tailgate up. You can pull this pin. You can push that in, put the pin back in, lower your tailgate a little bit, you know, till it gets on there. That's what will slack your belts for you. Your tailgate lockout is right here, very important. We always want to make sure that we do that every time that we have the tailgate open. You pull out on it and push it down. Somebody's, you know, well, can you put another roll of mesh in here? If you're using the 64-inch mesh, it will fit and the side shield come down. If you're using 67, you won't be able to get it to latch. But some guys, if they're down to very little here and they want to finish it out, they'll go ahead, because these are very to get these panels up and down. So some guys will just put that down. They'll go bail a little bit, run out of the roll, open it up, take this roll out first, and go after it. You got your grease zerks here for a lot of your. You got them on both sides for a lot of your zerks on the machine. There are still some others around the machine if you want to check on. You got your chart up there.